We live in a new era of social media. Everything is changing and everyone tries to stand out in this noisy crowd. We need to make a difference, and animation is the key because it attracts more attention. Maybe this sounds complicated, but I'm here to help you. There is a live workshop coming with the future. Together, we're gonna explore the easiest way to create animated Instagram carousels. We're gonna cover everything from A to Z, starting from how to find new ideas, how to write the script easily by using special tools even for non-native speakers like me, and finally, how to design the posts, give them life with animation, and convert them into different formats for other social media platforms. If you want to learn more, click the link in the description.